Namaskar. Welcome on board Nepal Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention for the safety features of this aircraft.
Your baggage should be stored in the overhead compartments. Please do not keep anything on your lap during takeoff and landing. Put your bag under the seat in front of you. Every seat is equipped with the seat belt. To fasten the seat belt, clip the ends together and tighten it by pulling this strap. To unfasten, just lift the buckle and release the ends. You must keep your seat belt fastened when the fasten seat belt sign is on. Oxygen masks are located in the overhead units. In case of depressurization, the mask will drop automatically. Pull the mask with a jerk, put it on, cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. The mask can be adjusted by tightening the elastic band. Please put on your mask first before helping others. Life vests are kept under the seat in economy class. If you are seated in business class, it is under your armrest. In case of water landing, take out the life vest from the unit and put it on by slipping it over the head. Put the white strap around your waist, clip the ends together and tighten it. It can be inflated automatically by pulling down the red tags. You can also manually inflate it by blowing through the red tubes. Please remember to inflate your life vests outside the aircraft. This aircraft has 8 clearly marked emergency exits, 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Slide rafts are located at all exits. Doors 3 left and 3 right cannot be used in a water evacuation. In case of smoke in the cabin, follow the emergency lights on the floor. Please locate the exit nearest to you. Your nearest exit may be behind you. Please be reminded that whenever using the lavatory, do not forget to flush and throw your garbage in the waste bin. For your information, this is a non-smoking flight. For takeoff and landing, please switch off all electronic devices. Stow your in-seat video screen. Keep your window shade open and seat back in an upright position. For more information, please go through the safety instruction card kept in front of you. Enjoy your flight with Nepal Airlines.
Thank you for choosing Nepal Airlines.